Here we have another project video. This project is theft vehicle administration for police department. We know like here and there the vehicles are stolen by the robbers and the police will catch up them. So here we'll understand how to make it's a web application project for the police department. So we'll explain you how you can create this project in ASP.NET with C# and backend SQL Server. The concept is if the robber taken away the vehicle or if a vehicle is stolen, then you need to register the complaint. So when you go to nearest police station to file the complaint, so instead of go to nearest police station, if it can file online, it will be more easier. That is the main concept of this project. And also, if your vehicle is found in somewhere else, maybe some other state, then if we are able to find out where it is found and where the vehicle is now, then easy for us to recover it. Therefore, we have to raise the complaint and we want to know what happened to that vehicle, whether it is found or not. For this is the project logic. So here we'll understand what are the options we can provide, what are the modules we have to make, and what options should be there in order to serve as a project. So this project is basically for the computer science student who is supposed to do a project as per their curriculum. So it may be mini project or it may be major project. So here we'll explain you everything. Therefore based on that you can return what are the options you want and you can add up more options, all depends on you. But first let us understand what are the things we can add up in this particular project. So as usual almost all the web application projects will have an admin module. Admin is who owns this, so there is admin, and here is the police station where employee can log in and they can manage, and the user or the customer. So these are three main modules: admin module, police station module, and the user module. So in the admin we can create the station detail, we can create the employees who can log in and they can register the complaint. So here is the employee login. So then you can have main page. So here options is recovery vehicles. If they recover any vehicle, the details will be entered here. Then complaint. If anybody lost the vehicle, so they'll raise the complaint, that list will come here. So user is concerned, user can sign up, they can log in, they can raise the complaint, they can view recovered vehicles, view, this is view, okay, recovered vehicles, and some more options. So therefore ultimately this admin module and the police station module, user module is very very important. We'll see what are the other options are there in each module when you show the demo. Now let's look at the demo. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Your subscription will bring us to bring more videos and also better videos. Fine. So here we have in Visual Studio. So here you can see the main modules. So one is admin main page. So this is admin module. Here you can create the district and the corresponding list. Dialogues we can create and we can see the list. Stations we can create and we can see the corresponding list. Then we can create the employees of the particular station and then we can see the list. Then if you go to employee main page, here it is. So this is the HTML code, it automatically generates, you don't need to write this. When you design the page using toolbox controls, so if you design the page, this all HTML code will automatically generated. So here in the employee main, so you have a station list, we can see all the stations. Theft vehicle list, so here the complaint list. Recovery vehicle details, we can enter the recovery vehicles, that list. And any robbers, we caught them, so we'll give their details and their corresponding list. In case employees want to change the password, they can change the password here. Now user is concerned, these are the user options, user main, station list, they can see the complete list here. They can raise the complaint here, vehicle theft complaint, list of theft vehicles, then search vehicles, so we can find anywhere you found, so you can able to search here. Recovered vehicle list, so therefore here will show the complete recovered vehicle list. So these are the three modules, so admin, employee and the user main. Now let's run and check it out. To run this, you need to click on IIS Express here. If it is already running, you can have an icon over here, IIS Express. Right click and then you can open it again here. Fine. So here you can start with this. So this is the admin login. So we take to admin. Fine. So again, these are the options. Okay, district names. If I get click list, I'll have 2 districts, but you can enter more here by clicking this. Then taluk, 3 taluks are already entered. You want one more, you need to go here. You need to select the district and then what is the taluk name and the corresponding details you have to write. Station detail. So we have 2 stations here. So to more, you have to click here. Station name, address. Then you have to select the district here. Then the district taluk names will come in this particular district. So if you select Mysore related, okay. Then the corresponding phone numbers to communicate and email ID. So next is the employee details. For each station, like what station they'll work, employee code and all the details we need to enter here. So then we can able to see the list. So we have one employee here, that list is there. Next what you can do is we can copy the main address, go to one more tab and then enter. Now we can log in as an employee. Now I can give the code here and the password. So you can log in. So you can see the station list, what are the stations already entered, and vehicle theft list. If the vehicle is lost by someone, so the details will be there here. Recover vehicle details. Now you can enter the recover vehicles. So if you recovered any vehicles, that we can enter here. And the recovered vehicle list. Okay, so then robber details we can enter here. So now what we can do is we can take one more tab for the user. So you can enter and then you can enter user login here. If you don't not have ID, then you have to sign up. Fine. So user ID A1 and then A1 is a password. Done. So here also they can see the station list, and then now you need to raise the complaint here. Fine. So let's write the number. Okay. So time. So this is the name. What is 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler? So okay, let's 2-wheeler. Vehicle details. It is Honda Activa. Okay. So theft details. It is stolen at MG Road. Right. So then user ID. And then mobile number, district, which district it is, and then you need to select the corresponding taluk here. Okay, select the taluk name here and then you can save this. Now you can see that record successfully. Then if you go to list, what are the vehicles we lost, that list will come here. Next you can search for the same vehicle. So if anywhere if you recovered, we can able to get the details. So presently there is no detail. Now if you come to the employee, so there the station, here you can see that vehicle list. So therefore this is the detail is available, vehicle theft. Now if the vehicle is recovered, we can write the vehicle recovery, where is recovered, all the details we can enter here. Fine. So now if this vehicle is recovered, recovered date, recovered from some Ranjit or something, 2-wheeler recovery details, get it from second hand seller, contact number, okay, contact Arish, then the mobile number, and here is the district name, Fine, you can select the taluk name also. Fine, so it's created now. Now if I go to recovered list, so the vehicle is there here, the details. So now the user can check it out. So you can enter user login A1, then A1. So here is recovered vehicle list. So you can see that this vehicle, or we can go for search. So K05M2222 search. So therefore all the details will be shown here, from whom they recovered, whom to contact, all the details there. So therefore you can contact and you need to collect the vehicle. So this is the entry level project, and this home we have a not proper link. So home means you should go to main page, therefore you have to go to this page, user search result, user search result B, and here when you click home you should go back to user main page, but here it is going to default. Okay, it's wrong actually, so therefore you need to change to user main page. Here it is. So now if I click home, so it will come back to this. Right, so these are the options which are there in the user main, and these are the options in the employee, and these are the options in the admin. Okay, so therefore this is how we can one-to-one communicate. User can raise the complaint. The complaint can be read by this police station, and then when the vehicle is recovered, they can enter the vehicle details over here. When the vehicle recovery details are entered, so user can search and they can find out it. So here you can find out whether this vehicle is found or not. So if found, then all the details is available. So therefore it's easy for us now go to the corresponding police station, get the vehicle recovered. So therefore these are the options provided for each modules. So hope you understand the concept. Please try this. Okay, thank you.